We're in the shop tonight. It's Fender flare time. The old Can-Am Outlander Fender flare kits from BRP. Here's how to put them on. So you have to take your 7mm drill bit, and inside the fender well there's a little circle where you drill the hole, right where his dinger is. And then there's a little location tab on the flare. Right there. So that ends up going through the hole so you can line up to drill all your other screws to go into there. Oh, we need more holes.
One more hole.
More holes, please.
Now it's a hole.
That's a nice looking hole. Rock and roll. Okay, so after you've got your hole drilled, where that location pin goes into, you just put the flare into that pin, the pin into that hole. There's a little flap at the bottom and a little tab at the front that'll hold it up snug. And then you need a buddy to hold it for you while you go from the inside and drill. There is little marks where the holes should go. If your quad's at all dirty or muddy, you ain't gonna find them.
This one's tricky.
Gonna hold your tongue the right way. Get her lined up and hammer down.
There we go.
So on the back ones, we found it easier that if you put the rear splash guard up, just held it up in place, then it's easier to get it lined up where you need to be to the rear flare. So you know where that gap is there at the top. And so like with a lot of things, it's good to have your buddy with you to hold stuff in place, and then you can drill it. I really don't know how you do it with one person, but I guess a guy could get her done. So now that all the small holes are drilled through the plastic from the inside, there is little marks on the inside of where to drill them. 5/64?
Yeah.
And then you have to hold it on, and then you drill right into there for the screw to go in to hold the flare on. So the screws go in from the inside into the holes that you previously drilled, and that's what holds the flare on the inside, is the screws from the inside. So then you do the same thing on the front. Hold the flare in place and drive the screws in from the back side to the holes that you pre-drilled. And inside the back, for the rear flap that comes down, there's a screw there. And then there's a clip and a screw that'll go right in there. Pretty simple install, and it's really nice to keep all the mud and debris off you. Very nice piece by BRP. Very nice, very solid. You can grab onto those and yank on them pretty good, and they're not going anywhere. It's amazing what those little screws hold. Here's the front ones. They really protect nice. You can see when you get, so you're not getting splashed with the mud and debris. And then lots of times your tail lights get all covered up so people can't see when you're braking, and your brake light and everything. So that's where that splash guard on the back is nice, because it keeps the back light clear. Safety first, you know. And that concludes another little bit of a how-to video. We might not be the best at doing everything, but we get her done. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.